We're the Awaken family, and back in 2022, we bought a cargo van and renovated it into our dream home on wheels. Since then, we've spent the past few years living, learning, and traveling together as a family. In this episode, we're heading to Misty Mountain to celebrate something special. And for the first time, we're not just traveling as a family, we're camping as a community.
And oh my gosh! Okay lang ba sila?
Grab into sa mga volatile compounds. So ang purpose
New friends who share the same love for nature, freedom, and camping. We're so excited to see what this journey brings.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello sa lahat! So, andito kami ngayon sa Bukidnon, Kaamulan Grounds. Andito kami, it's because we're going to attend Bahay Jeeps Anniversary!
Second anniversary.
Yeah.
So, dito na lang kami natulog kagabi since late na kami nakarating.
Yeah.
And malapit lang kasi yung location dito para dito na lang kami mag-start.
Yeah. Diretso sana kami doon, but yesterday, since meron ngang river crossing doon, hindi na lang kami tumuloy. Dito na lang kami muna sa Kaamulan.
So, if you watched our Katihan video, we've crossed the same river before kasi same location lang siya. But yung worry namin ngayon kasi medyo hindi maganda yung panahon. Umulan kanina morning. Sana makaka-cross kami so we can join the event. First things first, maliligo muna kami. Hanap kami. Meron naman mga paid bathroom dito. Fresh!
Happy anniversary, Bahay Jeep!
So this is going to St. John's School.
So, nagkasundo kami na sabay na kaming pupunta doon sa Misty Mountain.
Nakakatuwa guys kasi pinag-uusapan namin na Earl. Sana umabot tayo sa na we're gonna celebrate our 2 years on the road. So
Yeah.
hindi talaga sila pa nakauwi sa kanila except na lang if by plane. But yung jeep 2 years na no, 2 years
2 years
straight
na
na
daw,
silang
yeah.
nagta-travel and they're living on the road which is really,
Soon,
really inspiring.
within this year, I'm sure ta-travel na tayo full time. Yeah.
Target namin is within this month, but since we are still working on something that we're gonna share soon, probably the month of May pa, no? Month of May, we're gonna announce our first ever location for our Mindanao loop. Mindanao tayo magsa-start syempre kasi nandito tayo.
Sabit?
Lasangit? Asa ka masangit sa wire?
Sabit pala.
Oh no.
Misty Mountain, Misty Mountain.
We are actually very excited kasi it's our first time na mag-attend ng ganitong event. And since it's open to the public, hindi namin alam kung gaano karami yung pupunta doon and sino-sino yung mamimit namin later.
Oops, they're moving backwards, Papa. Bakit sila nag-stop over?
I'm not sure. They're discussing something. Baka mataas yung tubig.
Patay.
Oh my God! Sana hindi. So, umangat daw yung TV nila. Baka yung parang mechanism na lalabas yung TV.
So yung nakaupo on top of the TV, umangat siya.
Oo.
So it's now 2:54 PM, natulog na si Space. Parang gagabihin tayo ngayon ah.
Yeah. Ayun, may nagpa-picture.
Ay, ayan, busy pa sila.
Running low on the borderlines, and you tell me that you're doing fine. Morning color lights the hall, pulls you right on through the door. So hold on to all that feeds your soul. I know a place where the sun shines every day. So come with me, I'll take you there. I'll take you there.
Try ko muna yung hangin kasi nasa 50 yung hangin dito eh.
Medyo bouncy.
Last time na dumaan kami dito,
Nung pakatihan kami.
Pakatiyan, hindi pa ganito yung daan. But right now,
May mga
okay na siya.
nag-excavate pa,
Oo.
tsaka sobrang slippery.
Tapos napaka maputik.
Mm-mm.
Kaya,
Ngayon medyo okay na.
oo.
Ang ganda na ng daan talaga dito. Kailan ba tayo pumunta last? I think December.
Yeah,
Tapos
it's December.
ngayon, sobrang ganda na ng daan. I mean, hindi pa siya cement, but at least stable na siya in a way.
Yeah.
Oo, accessible na talaga siya. So, hindi pa lang kami dumarating dun sa location namin. Nafe-feel na namin yung warmth. Yung feeling na may kasama ka, di ba, Papa? So, first time kasi namin na ganito kami kadami na magkaka. So, iba pala yung feeling. Mas heartwarming, mas fun. And especially ganito na we are sharing the same interests and love for camping and nature. Ang ganda ng view sa other side. Medyo maliit yung daan. And medyo, oh my gosh! And medyo, oh my gosh! Okay lang ba sila?
Siguro.
Hadlo ka ato eh.
Malaki kasi ang wheelbase nila.
Akala ko matutumba. Ito yung mga locations na kahit i-open mo yung window.
Very nice. May fog
Ang
pa dun.
ganda.
Sa tip ng mountain may fog.
At saka iba na yung weather, no?
Iba na yung weather dito.
High elevation na kasi siya.
Tsaka yung hangin. Iba na yung hangin. Parang ano na. Napaka ano na hangin. Clean. You can feel the...
Mafe-feel mo talaga na sobrang clean yung hangin.
Nafe-feel ko yung usok ng tapot sa Nibahay Jeep.
So if you like biking, this is the place for you. Meron silang bike park dito and meron silang obstacles na create just for the bikes lang. Pero extreme nga lang guys. Ganyan kataas. O patungo doon. Ayan.
From the moment we arrived, we were welcomed by a warm group of campers. Some familiar faces we've met online, Bahay Jeep's followers, and a few first-time campers. We are counting down to tonight's gathering, but for now, we're slowing down, soaking in the moment, and getting to know each other.
A lot of makahiya.
Tonight, we're celebrating something special. Bahay Jeep's 2nd anniversary. It's not a big party, just an intimate gathering, but the energy, it's beautiful. We played fun games, shared stories, and soaked in every moment. It's moments like this that reminds us why we choose this life, the freedom, the connection, the community. There's a certain magic in doing something simple that becomes unforgettable when you're with the right people. To Bahay Jeep Fam, thank you for bringing us together. Here's to more miles, more memories, and more moments like this. We are so honored to celebrate this day with you guys.
5 people? 5 people per group. So you can group yourselves and feel free to join us here.
Okay guys, meron na bang representative ang per team? Team Philippine Looper, meron na? Okay.
Anong pangalan ng team nyo? Team Summit. Okay, sino representative nyo? Okay, ganito yung mangyayari. Magbibigay ako ng isang word sa magpapahula. And then, yung mga gustong malaman yung word, dito kayo ipapakita ko sa inyo. Pero yung ka-team niya, huhulaan based sa action. May rules tayo. Bawal gumamit ng words. Bawal magturo. So, kailangan pure action lang. Okay, so Team Summit, sino po ang aakyat ng stage? Alright. Handa na ba kayo?
Eating and drinking. Eating coffee. Ay, eating coffee. First word.
First word?
Three.
Three syllables. One word.
Okay, ikot. Kailangan umikot. Yung magtotropa at maghiwalay. Seven. Okay, group yourselves to 4.
Ayo. It's okay.
Bakit yung mga natanggal, tumatakbo palayo?
Individual, dahil si Antet yung mag-action. Ibubulong ko lang sa kanya. Okay, Tagalog.
Ilaw!
Okay, hindi.
Sunlight! Tagalog ba? Tagalog!
Sino na una? Sino una? Ituro niyo, sino na una? Sino na una sa araw?
And I know just where I'm going. Stuck on you. Got a spilling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm.
Morning, Mama.
Morning, Space.
All things are possible. That's what they told me.
This morning felt extra special. Our new friend Jeremy was brewing coffee near our van, so we invited him over. And he ended up brewing for us too. There's just something about slow mornings, the smell of coffee, and good company that makes camping feel even more magical. For us, mornings like these, simple, quiet, and shared, are everything.
Mupas ang water na dili ka siya makagrab into sa mga volatile compounds. So ang purpose sa minerals iyang i-push sa brew sa bottom aron ma.
That's what they told me. When I was young.
kids.
Oh, where are you using
Tingnan mo
it
si Space. Ang galing niyang humawak ng paintbrush.
Like that.
Oo, pen.
Yeah, tingnan mo yan.
There's a pen put here, Mama.
Ang galing niya.
There's a pen put there.
And he's only 2 years old.
There's a
Tingnan mo yung kamay na yan, oh. Ang galing. Ang galing niyang humawak.
You can do this, Space. Oh. So, let's eat, guys. So, i-share lang namin na si Space is still 2 years old. And na-amaze kami sa kanya kasi grabe yung coordination niya sa hands niya. Like, he can perfectly feed himself using a spoon. Once lang namin naturuan, like once lang siya naturuan ni Mama Pearl mag-hold ng pencil. After that, ang galing na niyang mag-hold. Sobrang amazing.
Ayo. So, egg and Samit's favorite, corned beef.
Why it looks like that?
Wow! Who gave that to you, Samit?
Kuko binili.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeremy, Lim,
And family.
They're so kind to give this to us. And for brewing for us earlier
Yeah.
today.
So, magkakape tayo with
You need a fork because my dirty mo
donuts.
hands. I'll get a fork.
I'm so excited. Are you excited to try the
a
donut
hidden-
for the
it's
very first time?
I
Stay?
hate them. It's a... Alam mo?
I'll get the kettle.
Pizza for Mama.
Sige ka, on the space. Nakasettle down na kami for coffee.
Ang gusto ni Badol? Chine-check na ni Kuya Val yung bahay jeep because nagre-ready na sila para umalis.
So, since magpapaiwan kami dito to explore more the Kibalabag area, we'll say goodbye to them kasi they're ready to go.
Orange na dog. Oo, orange dog.
Explore muna namin tapos meron pa daw ano dyan sa unahan. Pwede daw i-hike
Kaya yan. Ba meron? Meron dyan.
Oh, meron daw. Okay, thank you.
Bye, Summit. Bye, Space.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye to the orange dog.
Oh, bye. Sige, bye, Nay.
Ano pala dito?
Babay orange dog. Na-realize ko, baka ito yung ibig niya sabihin na orange dog. It's not an orange dog. I think it's brown.
Wow, meron pang ano.
Dami namang binigay. Wow.
Ah, thank you. Bye, Jeep Candies. Bye-bye! Ingat! Ingat! Bye-bye!
See you in the next 2 days.
Nag-enjoy talaga kami sa event kahapon. And we didn't expect na sobrang enjoy natin. Hindi na tayo nakapag-focus.
Vlog ng maayos.
Oo,
Hindi kami
mag-focus mag-video.
ng maayos.
But still, it's okay kasi marami tayong na-meet, di ba? And
At sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Like, na-immerse talaga namin yung sarili namin sa experience and camping with special people around us.
it's very interesting and it's great experience at sa amin na ma-meet yung mga tao na same interest sa atin, di ba? Because pag nilapitan mo sila, parang you're
Diretso sa kayo.
komportable ka na talagang makipagkwentuhan and automatically pag syempre connected talaga kayo sa ano.
Diretso.
That's why we're just taking this opportunity na makapag-thank you sa mga tao na na-meet namin dito sa
Sa camp. And first of all, to Antet, to Joanne, Ate Alpha, Cedric, and to the rest of the Bahay Jeep.
Maraming salamat sa pag-invite sa amin dito. And
We had the chance to really bond and connect with the special people around us kasi it's so different, no? Yung mga simple moments, like wala namang anything special except sa event kagabi. Like, you're just camping, but when you're with the right people, it's really different. Kahit nagbu-brew ka lang ng kape, nag-uusap lang kayo, it's really, really special. So, thank you so much, guys, for giving us
they are
this
so warm
opportunity.
actually.
Oo.
They are so warm.
Lahat
yung mga
sila,
tao.
oo.
Happy anniversary, Bahay
Happy
Jeep.
anniversary. Second anniversary.
Yeah.
This
And we're really
Coffee is for you.
inspired with Bahay Jeep kasi they were able to pull it off, di ba nga? Umalis sila ng kanilang bahay.
2 years
di ba?
on the road. Grabe. Actually, parehas lang tayo 2 years
Yeah,
on the
but
road. Pero hindi lang
On and off.
full-time
Oh,
kami.
hindi lang full-time.
Mm,
Yeah, so,
umuwi pa din kami.
yeah,
Sila.
and that's really our
Straight.
plan.
Sobrang inspiring. And you know what inspires me the most? Yung value nila as a family.
Yeah.
Yung how they... Kasi yun yung sa amin like, it's so special when you're doing almost everything together. Yun yung sa kanila like, to witness that, sobrang special and sobrang inspiring. Oh,
Wow!
okay, he's here to show his drawing.
What's that? Snake? Oh, that's a nice snake.
Ang galing na
Ay,
niyang mag-hold ng pen.
Yeah, yeah.
Shark! This is...
Bite me, oh no!
Again, thank you so much. And guys, this is our second day here in Cabalabao.
Yeah.
And sobrang dami ng spots na pwedeng explore dito. So instead na umuwi kami,
Mag-i-explore pa tayo.
Mag-explore pa tayo.
So yeah, hopefully samahan niyo pa kami sa aming mga camping journey dito. Kasi maraming magandang spot.
Don't
So,
forget to like and subscribe.
And share
you
it
so
to your
much.
friends and family who loves camping.
And One Life Adventures too. See
See
you
you
in the next one. Bye!